السعادي. My name is Shahad Al-Maharami and this is my teammate
Reem Al-Harthi
Mesa Al-Hamyari.
and we're students from grade 12 from the Applied Technology Schools Vinyas from the United Arab Emirates.
And today we're excited to present our project titled Smart Room Service Robot for Our Future Hotels.
In modern hotels, room service and housekeeping requires a lot of time, effort, and human resources. Even sometimes, staff may disturb guests who do not want to be interviewed or even delay in a cleaning room. So our project aims to solve this problem by using robotics and smart sensors to automate basic room service in a safe, efficient, and intelligent way.
The Smart Room Service Robot is designed to move by itself in the hotel corridors and choose either to enter the room or skip the room according to the room signs. However, our robot does not clean the room, but it moves around the room to show the cleaning process.
And you might wonder how the robot moves. Our robot uses a white light sensor to follow a path placed on the hotel floor.
The robot uses a white line sensor to follow a path placed on the hotel floor. This white line represents a predefined route that leads the robot safely to hotel rooms. The line sensor continuously detects the white lines and sends signals to the microcontroller, which adjusts the motors to keep the robot on track. This method is simple, reliable, cost-effective, and commonly used in real industrial robots. When the robot reaches a hotel room, it stops and uses a camera to identify the room status sign on the door. There are two types of signs: do not disturb and need cleaning. The camera captures the image and the microcontroller processes the result. If the sign is do not disturb, the robot respects the guest privacy and skips the room. If the sign is need cleaning, the robot enters the room to perform its task. When the robot enters a room marked need cleaning, it moves inside. This movement represents the cleaning process, even though no real cleaning mechanism is installed. However, in the improvement plan, our robot should be able to perform the cleaning processes automatically. After completing the task, the robot safely exits the room and continues following the lines to the next room. This demonstrates controlled motion and correct decision execution. To ensure safety, the robot uses an ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor continuously measures the distance in front of the robot. If an obstacle, such as a person or an object, is detected, the robot stops immediately. This prevents collisions and ensures safe operation in crowded hotel environments. Remember, safety is a key requirement in all real-world robotic systems.
The main components used in this project are the microprocessor, the white line sensor, the camera module, the ultrasonic sensors, the DC motors, and the battery power supplies is inside the microprocessor. In the future, our project will be upgraded with real cleaning tools, AI advanced image recognition, voice interaction, wireless communication with hotel management system.
And programming can work together to solve real problems in tourism sector.
It promotes innovation, automation, and smart technology for a more efficient future.
We started by working on the motors and building the basic body of the robot. First, we assembled the main structure, making sure the robot was stable and strong enough to hold all the components. After completing the body, we added the sensors. We installed the line sensor to help the robot follow the path and the ultrasonic sensor to detect obstacles and avoid collisions. Later, we added the camera to improve the robot's functionality and make it more advanced. Next, we designed the hotel floor layout using white tape to represent the corridors and pathways. We also included pictures of hotel rooms to make the environment more realistic. Then, we added signs on the door using color codes. Red means do not disturb and green means need cleaning. This allowed the robot to understand which room requires service. Finally, the most challenging part was creating the code. We programmed the robot to follow the planned path, read the signals, and respond correctly based on the room status. This project helped us develop our skills in design, electronic coding, and problem solving.